As the prophet moved through the crowd, the prophetic signal locked onto a woman whose name and destiny were altered at birth. She doesn't even know her true birth year. Watch closely as prophet unveil what really happened.
You, who is a cause? I am seeing an accuse they are putting in the mortuary. Come out. Is it your first time here? What day were you born? What day? Friday.
Yes, please.
When your birthday? What check your birthday against you dinner day? When you catch him say when you don't delay me. What cross check your birthday against a dinner yet the flow also dear fear.
Yes.
What cross check your birthday? When your birthday?
Yes, 5th August.
Moncha Kemano or confirm who we are, then I'll tell her something. Who can't talk about some when they will fear me, they will kill you. Help her. What's your candidate? On him the day of birth. When you move here, or say,
No, mommy, I can show. No, fan, I can show. Me say me 5th August.
but one can year.
Yes.
When him nipo amode otono. Within the akosia, on their fear. So for you then and who ye? Me the money ne who ye? Listen here, brother. Arawe odi ye won Sunday, but omwasesa ne kra din e de din sesaye e won nkra bia so. No man will ever find peace with her. Some of you are man motitifia mu se ma ware mu bresa be man do oni uye bibia sese bia ware for, but he will never settle with you. Ebinu no aya nipa omode to no the same thing na nipa no so fa am. Eti ye to ni din ye sesa din no de to nipa na ye de ne to no. Ti say wo de wo ye wo de Monday na yede wonana toa wonana ya wono akos Sunday ye be friend akosua no ye see ye mfa okra din e man. What it means is that that girl can never live any life better than your own. Are you getting what I'm telling you? They have embargoed his life or caged her life to be like your own. One more son, or more son. Anything that is a limitation, yet the same thing. And there are people here like that. Messi embargo ya Nigeria, you are lifting.
Amen.
You are lifting. Already Shirao.
Amen.
Adie we ya na onyame ada na di ye break if you no one you have a new beginning.
Amen.
A new beginning.
Amen.
One of them madam ba. One of them ba. When him the way. Kwani so and I invite him. What one papa. When him sorry. Umba akrada. No acha wotin. O say
Ghana flag.
Damfa. Ghana flag. Oh, can you Kasimani Mungu asida. Kasimani Mungu asida. Father, I thank you for her life. Oh, what prayer. Me whom may ma when you are more sunny na. Me whom a juma waya jai na. And a rade. Obama was shasi for floor. Pray! Panito, asa. Woman in that.